friends, and welcome back again to our channel K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Well, आम्ही आज सगळं नेसलो आहे होय काय म्हणटली वचो मुगे मिनी सेंटा क्लॉज आणि हे एंजल आमी नेसलो होय ते आता आमी वयता आमगे फॅमिली मेवपाकू वी आर गोइंग टू लंडन थँक विश करपा ते कितलो कुसवार केलो आहा तो कुसवार इल दिवपा कितें जालें गो बाबा यू ओके सो कुसवार केलो आहा ते कुसवार दिवपाकू आणि भुरग्यांक गिफ्ट आहा ते भुरग्यांक गिफ्टूय दिवपाकू आणि हे एकचो मुगेले लापिडा रावा दाखय तुका सारको
Look, Dada, look.
चो सेंटा आय वयचो दिस इज मिनी सेंटा मुगेलो हा कोण गो बाबा कोण कोण
Hug, give Santa hug.
कोण संडे हागिदी सेंटा नाइस हागिदी
Kiss me.
मेरी क्रिसमस कोर मेरी क्रिसमस कोर आण्याचो एंजल हिंगा एंजल ऑल्सो इज रेडी हा That's all gifts as a bag घालूले एंजल रेडी मामा रेडी हा आण्याचे मुगे क्वीन हा कुसवार दाखव कुसवार केलो तो आमी धाकटो बरो कुसवार पॅक केला आमी तो कुसवार व्हरपा आमी आनी हांव मुगे आउटफीट घाला म्हाका सेंटाक सिक्रेट सेंटा हेणा हाडलो सेंटा क्लॉज न्हू बरी आनी जॅकेट बी न्हू चय नाइस जॅकेट नो दादा लुक नाइस
Definitely.
व्हेरी नाइस जॅकेट बरीस सांता एसको सदां येयल्या बरें दिसताले एक एक वेट जाल्या व्हेरी नाइस सो दिस इज माय आउटफिट दिस इज एंजल्स आउटफिट आणि आता मुगे लापीट ए लापीट चल या यो या मुगो या
चल या. Hi. Laishu.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
हेलो
Mama, Angel came.
Look at this.
Okay, how many shots?
ओ ये किती बावली लापण दले
Halloween come Christmas is Halloween.
हेलो मेरी क्रिसमस माय क्रिसमस ट्रिप आहे कोनारा गेला केन्ना कोणाक कोनारा समज क्रिसमस ट्री करपा जाय न्हू बेस्ट एकदम चय हेचो कोनारा हा पळय क्रिसमस ट्री तुमकां हांव कशें म्हणटा पळय आदी वयर चडटा ते मोदें जाल्यार स्पेस घेत न्हू सो वॉट ही हॅज डन इज हेज पुट इन द कॉर्नर ओनली द फ्रंट सायड ही हॅज पुट अटॅच्ड ऑल दॅट क्रिसमस ट्री एक्सेसरीज आनी चय बेस्ट दिसता नेक्स्ट टायम आयडिया कोणाकूय करपा जाल्या
Kisa, look. Kisa, look.
He said thank you कर thank you sister कर huggy give अले मेरी क्रिसमस कर चल अरे hugs and kisses
Give me that.
अरे
Okay, I'll give you.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Angel.
and
Thank you, Angel, for this gift. Welcome. And finally, Kisa.
Darwin happy
Yeah.
you very happy
Yeah.
thank you कौन मुटलो
Thank you.
कौन thank you
Thank God. Thank you.
अरे
You.
thank you कर अंजलि flying kiss happy happy
Merry Christmas, Angel. Weird. Chicken wings. I can wing. I can wing.
बेस्ट किती यार
आता जो पटली.
That was like we're gonna make a handshake to cut. Yeah.
okay what
Give, I'll keep it.
So first here we go, Angel. Merry Christmas and more here. And the second one is here. I miss you. Don't leave me. I love my chicken. I'm a chick. I am so cute. Come on. I go.
आशिया रे आशा ले ले, आशा ले ले.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
आशेल म्हणलं गो.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़.
बेर.
कोणे आणले भावानं आणले
उगे बायलेनं त्यात गेलं, त्यात गेले.
अरे हाव तो दिसतं ना गो एका शिजता सामे गेलो
नाइस.
सारखे अलास्काचे बेर दिसता. ते बरं दिसता. कितें हांवें घेवपा लायलां म्हगे भयणी. इच्छा तेका
तू बामटी चोर तू जर सारखं बामटो नादियान तर गेला असतो शुअर
गजब बेइज्जती है.
तू
तेका विचार. हांव नासता तें खंय पावतालो घेवपाक.
गाडी फकत ड्रायव्हिंग मातसो आहे न्हू गो This is Kishan.
Who is that?
This is for me.
Who gave you that?
Bonnie.
Ah, Bonnie.
I know already what to do.
Wow.
Open.
Show me here, no?
Okay, I'm opening for you.
I will go in Aldi for shopping with that, huh?
No, this is coloring.
Kisha, open Kisha.
Kisha, look.
Oh my God.
Kisha. Wait away now. Wicked. Can't you see the fan? Yes.
Ah, who chose that? Lysi chose? Did you choose that one?
Yeah, all of them, Mama.
A few moments later.
सो गायज सो लास्ट टाइम मुगे गोवा टायट केलोलो हे भयणीन आनी आयज सो तेणें कित कोन्न दवरलो तेका
Sorry, I say म्हाका हॅपी वयतरीची. आनी हो लोक दिलो म्हाका आवडाचो अशें. आनी एक सांगलोलें म्हाका बरो आहा तो आडगो बरो म्हाका फुलां घेवन येता गार्डन वयचें. हे आजचे केदें
भयणी मोग ना
कितें
मोग दाखोवपा नाका
मोग दाखोवपाक
काय बरं दिसता बरें
चायनीज
फेमस जातो तू तुक चोयन आनी जायत जाण घेतोले
चायनीज ते सूप पिता पळय.
जाल तू फेमस
आता नेक्स्ट टाइम ह्या भयणीन म्हाका आगो म्हाजो गिफ्ट गो बर्थडे गिफ्ट गो म्हाजो केन्ना गो
हॅलो वेलकम कम कम
ओ नवऱ्या व्हॉट मॅन
फ्रॉम नाव यू हॅव टू कॉल यू नोरो You saw his avatar?
चायनीज निंजा
That is my sister's love.
निंजा लव
Do again, do again. Do again. Do again. Do again, do again. Do again. Do again. चोय चोय ही भयण चोय कित कोत्ता ती
गाइस आमी भुरग्यां बरं आता एक गेम खेळटाय जेंगे एंजला गेम हाडलोली तेंचे बरं आता कजना बरं हेट म्हणपा लागले. आता हेट करपा मेळना म्हण कितेंय करून काडले आता हेटोली बॉल गेम ती. ओके सो यू ऑल आर रेडी टू प्ले द गेम? येस. सो फर्स्ट विल बी बोनी, एंजल and then Laishu. Okay, Bonnie is elder, then is Angel, then is Laishu youngest. Okay, so you see here there are 3 cups. Okay, and how many balls have you got? 3 balls each in hand. Okay, this has to fall in these cups. Okay, you have to throw from there. So 1 out.
2.
Okay, Bonnie missed. Okay, Bonnie, you missed. Okay, now Angel.
1.
Oh, nearly missed.
Back and do it.
Angel misses. Okay, ready, play. A little bit high. They missed. Missed it. Oh, 2, 3, start it, go. Oh, you went. Oh, Angel got 2 balls.
1, 2, 3. 1.
Oh, nearly missed.
3.
Only did 1.
The next day.
So guys, आम्ही या टायमार Costco येले just to see what Costco has to offer for me. Let's go and have a look. Hello. What man? Huh? How are you? Adi? Compliment season. How are you? Adi, compliment season. How are you? Merry Christmas. Hey Ranjali, what man? I was trying. I called you.
She is not feeling well.
Secretly आते का?
The flu is the flu.
Hey, मामा को हटा ले, मामा को उठा ले, तो रेलो उड़ेगा. Bro, how are you? Compliments of the season. Good. How are you?
Actually, bro, actually, compliment.
Hi, baby. Compliment season. Oh, PS5 see. It's not 318, it's 367. It is 467. Oh, JBL 239. Party box. Are how are you? Compliment season. How are you?
Sorry, I cried.
No, very good. I was like, okay, who's so sweet.
Where are the kids?
Kids, then Garako Dolly. Then Nadia is over there.
Oh, there they are.
How are you? I think you're going that way.
इतनी टीवी कहता हूँ मैं गारा. So the Costco has a lot to offer. Let's see what it is. Costco गर्दी केली ते boy. Nice man. We Prada and all you got man here. Maybe I say, but it's not lero. Doros. Yeah, done. Nice it is.
Yeah, you look nice, man.
And this is Gucci. Loose hai. Loose. This is nice. This pattern is nice. Oh baby, of this. It's a
Very
good.
nice. Yeah, you look nice.
Nice. This is literally nice.
Yes, it is nice.
It's a breakfast stuff over here. All bakery stuff. Croissants.
Yeah, some of the chocolate ones and they got these too. We normally get this.
So dinner sets over here. Very nice wine glasses, cutleries. And these are my special. Chef knives. Good. 20 pounds. Huh?
See that we shouldn't get lost.
Yeah. Let's go and see them. Where are they? लोक हुन गर्दी गेलो थिंगो बरा थिंग चोड बरे आसतले. Yeah. Basket is still empty. We're still about yet to buy. Everything looks good.
Everything looks nice.
See gems.
Gems? Gems? Who want gems? Who want gems?
Can I eat?
Hey, you want to say gems?
Can I eat you?
You want to say gems? Hello.
Giving the phone.
Yeah, naughty they are ke. She's taking Caleb's toys, Mare.
Yeah.
Whatever he has, she's taking from his hand. And then when he tries to pull it back, she's like, no. And she'll take and run away.
That's the right attitude. You don't get anything easy in life. You have to be tough.
Exactly, 100%.
Isn't it?
Exactly.
Dada will teach you to be tough. You need to be tough.
No, baby.
What?
feta cheese for our salad.
वय ते बरें लायम कशें दिसता You buy the lime also babe.
69, yeah, we need lime.
Now this is my favorite place to visit, to watch these bottles and with a good price. Kide? Liquor. Malibu, 15 pound ha. Famous Goose 1 liter, 18 pounds. Jack Daniel Honey 1 liter, 21.58. Jack Daniel Original 26.38. Organic it is.
This
but-
whole thing is for 4.99.
Yeah. Organic it is.
What to do? We'll take or no?
I think so. You should buy ginger.
Good, no?
Yeah. Yeah, इंगेला इंग भाई पणसा गोरे and Sharon fruit. हेचो इवे साडीच्या भाई पणसा गोरे भाई. Sharon fruit हा इंगा. और कैश को दे? 5 माणो बरे आले. Nice it is.
8, no, it's good.
Yeah. हेचे कितली शॉपिंग केलं बे आता आम्ही. हा? आणि नादिया आता ट्रॉली उगलट बी. ओ दोच्या काय? तू काढली शूटिंग. पण होतोच्या आम्ही आता शॉपिंग करून झाला आता. अरे मुगे ऐकलं काय नाही. जॉयसी के चोड हा इथून. मुगे काय मुगे एकूच
सोल बाबा गेले नाव
जॉयसी के गुरुद्वारा चोडली.
Let's go to Anjali Amgelo.
हाय फ्रेंड्स कर.
Bye.
हाय फ्रेंड्स कर. बाय बाय कर. होईताय आम्ही घर होईताय कर.
बाय बाय सी यू सून
गोइंग होम से.
A few moments later.
किती जॉयस किती ता?
Just one night. One night.
What one night?
One night.
What do you want for one night?
One night to able to stay.
We stayed no for 2 nights.
Yeah, but one more night. Holiday, right?
Huh?
Yeah, we're holiday.
But where you all are playing? Where you all are playing? You all are playing with your tab.
Yeah, but mom, I have to go to work.
Okay, but Angel can stay here.
But Laisu was fighting, no?
No, now we'll stop.
Yesterday we said that you will stop.
You all both are
So
fighting.
this is the lesson. This is the lesson for next time. Bye, Laisu, kar baba.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Shiva. Bye-bye.
You say bye.
Bye, Laisu.
Give a hug.
Bye, Jessie. Bye, Laisu.
Okay, you know.
Wait.
PKXD lollipop game. Okay. Bye, Jessie. I invite you.
Come,
I'll invite you.
Bye-bye. God bless you. Laisha, no hug. Oh, go hugging him, no.
Good.
Oh, my God.
I will do that.
Blessing. God bless you. Big girl. Come soon, huh?
Yes, I did.
Okay, let's see, Mama.
Come. God bless you. Make you nice and my baby big girl. Hug. So guys, आता आम्ही वचपा भायर सरताय. जाले आमगे भयणीगे 2 दीस ग्राउंड सारखे सुसेगाद हॉलिडेज. तिथून म्हाका भयणीन म्हाका काम दिले. काटल्याची भाजी भाजत्या करून केले. पण एनीवे इट वॉज अ नाइस टाइम. चड हांवें पडा हरशी मारल्या गाडी चलोवपाक जाय ती पळय वचपाक. हे गेले थंय नाटकां चड भुरग्यांक आनी रावपा. So we are just leaving to go home now. And we will see you after then. Okay guys? So bye करूया एकदा सगळे आता. यो गोय चल कम ऑन. बाय कर. किशा बाय कर.
Bye-bye.
बाय कोणा म्हाका बाय कोता.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.